Hello everyone, in this lecture the usage of round brackets as a punctuation is going to be explained in detail with understandable examples. But if you are new to my channel then please subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's learn its different usages one by one. Round brackets are used to insert additional information into a text. By this point it means that round brackets are used in text to enclose additional information in a sentence or a text. Simply, it means that when you take out the information provided in a round brackets will not disturb the meaning of the sentence. I think you are not getting the point, just look at these examples. John, the captain of our team, is my friend. Just look at this example. The information, the captain of our team, is additional information, so, that is why it is enclosed in brackets. Actually, if you put aside this piece of information from this sentence then the meaning of the sentence won't be disturbed. Like, John is my friend. See, it can still make sense without this piece of information. Smith, who is fond of football, is watching a match. Again, just look at this example. The group of words enclosed in brackets is also additional information. Basically, if you put aside this information from this sentence then it will still make sense. So, simply you can say that round brackets are also used to separate additional information in a sentence. Round brackets are used for abbreviations. You need to remember that round bracket is also used to write full form of abbreviations or acronyms in a sentence in order to make it clear for the reader. In other words, you can say, round brackets are used to enclose abbreviations and acronyms in a sentence. This is done to clarify the meaning of the abbreviation or acronym for the readers. Just look at these examples. The World Health Organization, WHO, is a specialized agency concerned with international public health. Observe this example. After full form of World Health Organization, the abbreviated form is written in round brackets. So, you should remember this rule that abbreviations are also written within round brackets. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is responsible for the space program in the United States. Again, the abbreviation of National Aeronautics and Space Administration is written inside the brackets. So, this is also one of the uses of brackets. Round brackets are used to show that a word can be either singular or plural. By this point, it means that sometimes round brackets are also used to indicate that a noun can be either singular or plural. Basically, it is used to avoid confusion about singularity or plurality of a noun in a sentence. Just look at these examples. Put aside books if you attempt the paper. Just look at this example. Here the part of the word book is used with brackets, specifically the letter S. Basically, it means that when are attempting a paper and the instruction tells you like this, so it means if you have one book or two books, you should put aside it. So, this is also one of the rules of round brackets. The customers waited for their orders. Again, by this example, it means that there can be either one customer or multiple customers. So, simply, you should also keep in mind this use of round brackets as a punctuation. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.